the first event for me of the year will be a thing called cabin fever. So these are the victims of the moment. I'll be pre-missioning these things the next couple of days, getting them ready for the event. Here's a typical shipping box. The lid, of course, secures things from the top, and then, of course, further padding on the bottom secures the bottom. When the box is assembled, the model is secure from any lateral or longitudinal motion. It certainly can't roll. So I've literally dropped the box with a model in it, and the model suffered no damage. This one already has a watertight cylinder in it. But we're going to go through all the steps, which incidentally, there are three principal operations you'll be doing with a model, and particularly an RC submarine, and that's pre-mission, the things you do to get it ready, mission, which are the things you're doing while it's in operation, and then post-mission, which is your after-action maintenance, checkout, and all the things you have to do to preserve and ready the model for its next event. Right? Well, the first deal will be to take this guy apart. There's a single fastener at the stern. All right, here. You don't do that. These little screws are easy to lose, so you take care with them. All right, removing the upper hull from the lower hull reveals the cylinder here. Now, the type of RC submarines I operate are free flooding. They incorporate a watertight structure inside, which is, in this case, a 2.5-inch diameter Lexane cylinder, which contains all the devices that I want to keep dry. The battery compartment here, and then, of course, the after dry space. That contains all the gobbledygook that makes the thing work. Servos, receiver, motor, speed controller, angle keeper, fail-safe devices. The center section here, you'll notice that it's the entire cylinder is divided in three sections. The after dry space, the forward dry space. This center space is the ballast tank, and it's divided by two internal bulkheads. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cylinder out. We're going to check all the linkages on the model. We're going to get the cylinder up to speed. Once it's been checked out, reinstall it, and then we'll be good to go. So these are the pre-missions. These are minimum requirements to get the model ready. So there's only one connection between the upper and lower hull, and that's this hose which leads to a snorkel that's housed within the sail. This is a SAS semi-aspirated ballast system, in that it'll take air either from the dry spaces to initiate the blow, or if it's near the surface and the sail is broached already, then it'll take atmosphere air and pump out or blow out the water. There's a little air pump in here which does the work, taking the air either from the cylinder if the snorkel is immersed, or later when the sail broaches the surface during the operation, then it takes air from atmosphere, at the same time breaking the vacuum, the partial vacuum that was created when air was drawn from the cylinder. So I'm going to take this thing out of here. It's held in place only with a single Velcro strap. And here you see liberated from the hull. Not much to it.